let's take a look. So the little pamphlet has the different types of drinks, elements, sparkling juice, which I haven't tried yet, so I'm really excited to try. Elevated nutrients. All these drinks are wonderful for detoxing. They have a wide variety of vitamins. They're dairy-free, gluten-free, which is right up my alley. I love all this. Cold-pressed juices. And the shots are one of my faves. I usually take one of these every morning. I love these. Let's get into it. Here's another one for digestion and immunity. So we have all these shots here. I usually take a shot of one of these in the morning and sometimes at night. And then we have our juices. We got the uber greens, the carrot mango. This one is really, really, really good. I love purified water, lemon, stevia, and cayenne. I tried this one before. Cayenne is a little spicy. Here is the purified water, orange, pineapple, mango, and coconut. This one is awesome. Excellent, 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 excellent. Apple, mango, banana, cucumber, and lemon. I haven't tried this one. Hydrating electrolytes, aloe, and ginseng. Yum. Here's another apple, celery, cucumber, kale, collard greens. Purified water, strawberry, raspberry, lemon, and honey. That sounds really good. I haven't tried that flavor, so thank you to Suja for sending me these new flavors I haven't tried yet. And then we got the purified water, coconut, apple, orange, and pineapple. And here's a strawberry guava. These are for immunity, supports immune health, supporting probiotics and vitamins. What I love about Suja is they have a lot of probiotics, vitamins, all of that in it. So I want to start like a juicing cleanse. So I may try to juice all day. I don't know, your girl like to eat, so we just gonna have to see about that one. Suja, thank you for looking out. I appreciate it, and I'll get back to you guys soon to see how it goes.